Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Fidelity mobile app to transfer money. First, open the Fidelity application on your device and log in securely using your credentials. Once inside, locate and tap on the Transfers option, usually found in the main navigation menu. This will take you to the Transfer Hub, where you can begin your transaction process with just a few taps. It is a straightforward and secure way to manage your funds. Next, you will specify the details of your transfer. Select the account you wish to transfer funds from and the account you want to send them to. Then, accurately enter the amount of money you intend to move. You can also choose whether this is a one-time transfer or a recurring one and set the desired date for the transaction to occur, offering great flexibility. Before finalizing, it is crucial to review all the transfer details. Double-check the from and to accounts, the exact amount, and the chosen transfer date to ensure everything is correct. Once you are confident, proceed to authorize the transaction. This usually involves entering your password or using biometric authentication, adding an extra layer of security to your financial movements. Congratulations, your money transfer is now complete. You will receive an immediate confirmation within the app, often with a confirmation number for your records. You can easily track the status of your transfer in the Activity section, and all your past transactions are conveniently stored in your transfer history. This makes managing your finances simple and transparent, giving you peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.